Hey everyone, Mariela here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you can get notifications every time that I upload a video. And if you're a returner, I appreciate you. You're a real one. Thank you for sticking with my videos. Before we jump into the video, I just want to make sure to let you guys know of a really cool product that I have been using on my hair lately. So if you're wondering how I achieve this super silky smooth look on my hair, then I definitely do want to let you know about the Crowning Glory hair products. So these products are super amazing because they are 100% natural and they are formulated and owned by my friend Kamiko. Her and I go way back. We know each other from college times. So she created this line. She sent me the product to see if I like it. I've had it for a while now, but I've been trying it because I want to make sure that I really like it, and I actually do love it. I've noticed hair growth after I started using this product. Like I said, my hair remains super sleek, so I definitely do recommend it. So the refresher, I actually use it as a leave-in before I flat iron my hair, and the mask, I use it on my hair before I wash it. So before wash time, I apply the mask on my hair as like a very hydrating conditioner to my hair. So if you want to achieve a very slick look like this with natural products and you want to help with your hair growth or with damaged hair, I definitely recommend Crowning Glory products. Okay you guys, so in regards to today's video, today we're going to be chatting about something that is pretty popular and I know that you have seen it on Instagram. We're going to be talking about my experience microblading my eyebrows. So my eyebrows look popping right now, and guess what? I have absolutely no makeup on my eyebrow. I have no brow pencil, I have no pomade, I have nothing on my eyebrow. I swear you guys, these are my eyebrows microbladed, and that is all. So many of you are probably wondering why I got my eyebrows microbladed. So whenever I wouldn't be wearing makeup, I would feel very insecure because of my eyebrows. They were just extremely horrible. I had microbladed them a long time ago in the past, but they faded. They were horrible. I was sick of having to put on makeup every single time because I don't wear makeup every day. What you see on YouTube, well actually I'm always on YouTube without makeup, but yeah, I'm a mom, I don't have time for that, so I wanted to always have poppin' lit eyebrows without having to do them every day. So that is why I decided to get my eyebrows microbladed. My self-esteem is better now after I got my eyebrows microbladed because I just don't have to worry about it in the morning anymore. Hello guys, I am on my way to my microblading appointment. I'm sorry if the quality is a little off. I am using my phone to film because I'm running late, so I didn't even think about grabbing my camera. Silly me. But these are my eyebrows. Yep, so I will try to film as much as I can. I did talk to him prior to my appointment and he allows me to film. So I'll be documenting as much of the journey as possible, but I just wanted you guys to see the before. So microblading is kind of like an eyebrow architecture. So the person or the brow artist that is going to be doing your microblading on your eyebrows, they create the perfect shape for your face using a tool. So this is the shape that we're going. Oh, hablándole a la, hablándole a la cámara. This is the shape that we're going for. I absolutely love it. I'll show you guys the rest later. Then once they create the perfect shape for your face, they will go in with a blade. So this blade has about 10 to 12 needles that are going to be scraping against the skin of your face, and it's going to create hair-like strokes on your face. So these strokes are very similar to paper cuts. They're very on the epidermis of your skin. It doesn't go in deep inside of your skin. And I absolutely love microblading because it creates a natural illusion of beautiful brows on your face. So I did get my eyebrows microbladed, and I did a combination of microblading and micro shading. So after my eyebrow guy created the strokes of hair in my eyebrows, he filled them in. So with the same needle, he's gonna go in and kind of color above those hair-like strokes that he created, and that is what created this look. This is just an up close and personal view of my brows, you guys. So my brows have about 2 weeks, but they are fully healed. I absolutely love them. If you're curious about the cost of this method, it was only $400, and to me $400 is absolutely not a lot of money because I don't have to worry about having ugly brows for like a year or two. So it's definitely a luxury that to me is a necessity. So the procedure takes about 1 to 2 hours. On me it was about an hour and a half, and he created this magic in that short amount of time. If you're curious about the pain tolerance, I would say that it is a moderate to high pain, kind of sort of. Lip injections hurts more, but I do want you to keep in mind that he uses numbing cream on your eyebrows prior to starting the process. So after the first couple of strokes, you don't even feel the pain. It's actually kind of painless after the first couple of strokes. So keep that in mind, and if you are going to get your eyebrows microbladed, make sure to ask if they apply numbing cream before starting the procedure. So after you get your first session done, you do have the option of getting a second session. I didn't need a second session because, as I explained earlier, I had gotten my eyebrows microbladed some time back. So I already had that base, so I'm not gonna need a second session. This is what my eyebrows look like after the first session, and I'm gonna keep them this way. I absolutely love them. So the person that did my eyebrows is actually a male. His name is Leandro, and his background story is actually very funny because he told me that he started off as like a barber or something like that at a barber shop, or doing eyebrows at a barber shop, and within a few months he was making more money than all of the barbers. He became very popular just doing eyebrows with wax or with a blade. So he decided that he wanted to advance that skill, and he started microblading eyebrows. So he does have a whole spa in the Dominican Republic, and he has a spa here in the United States as well. I'm going to make sure to add his Instagram right here, so if you guys are around the area and you want to take advantage of his amazing technique and his amazing talent, you can do so right here. I definitely highly recommend them. His spa is extremely beautiful. He has very good vibes. You will feel comfortable when you're around him. He's extremely professional, and he does an amazing job, you guys. Look at my eyebrows. I don't have to worry about filling them in anymore. It took me 20 minutes to achieve this look because I didn't have to worry about my eyebrows, which usually takes the longest time to do. So I'm so happy that I decided to get my eyebrows microbladed. And I hope that this video was informative to you if you do decide that you want to get your eyebrows microbladed. But guess what? Mariela recommends it. Anything to help your self-esteem, anything to uplift you and elevate you, and anything to make you feel more confident is something that I definitely encourage you to do so. So if you feel like this is something that you want to do, go ahead and do it, girl. That concludes the end of this video. I really hope that this video was helpful for you. If you enjoy this type of content, then definitely make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you can get notified every time that I upload a video. And make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to get my followers up on there as well. So support your girl and follow me on Instagram. And if you have any special comments, make sure to comment below, you guys. Until the next one.